Well, hello. Today I'm going to do an experiment with cucumber seeds. What I'm going to do is plant one location with worm castings, another location with just regular soil, and the third one with compost. And I want to see the results of the plants. In this first location, I will put the worm castings, will cover these up. The second location, it will be covered up with the compost. And the third location is just going to have dirt. So here goes the compost, the worm castings I mean. This will be the regular compost. And this final one will just be covered up with dirt. So we'll wait and see the results of the cucumbers in a few weeks, see which one grows the best. If you like this video, please give me a like. Please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great day. Bye.